Yeah, we layered the boxes. Box upon box upon box.
Tear that damn paper off the
Yeah,
We're not keeping it for anything.
There's some smaller items in it, so just be careful, alright?
It's a lawsuit. It's a lawsuit.
Yeah, really.
It's a
William G.
case.
It's William G's files.
That's a big case, sir. A lot of paperwork.
Go ahead, William G. I can't believe he's sponsored. That's awesome.
Great. Yeah, we can. Come on, kid.
Oh God, no.
What is
Go
Hold it up.
Middle-aged what? Oh, Lord.
Oh my God.
There
Put
it
it on.
is. Oh.
Yep.
Dang.
I don't know.
It fits. Look.
Thin too.
Oh.
It's supposed to be.
It's supposed to be thin?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, well, no, I can't supply you with thin. All of my boys wear these big, thick ones.
No, it's got to be from the middle of the mall.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Oh, you got the socks.
I could use something longer, but that's
Longer?
you gotta look like you Papa.
Oh, that's true. Well, you know, you can stretch them.
It's just,
Oh my God.
and it's long too.
What is it?
That means you got to tuck
It's
it
just
in.
a white shirt?
It's just the work.
Yeah,
You know
tuck it
what?
in.
I bet
That's a dress shirt for some men. Most men.
There's a fanny pack in here, isn't there?
They're back. Fanny packs are back.
Are you serious?
Serious?
I wear a fanny pack. Barrett makes
They
fun of me
all
every
kids
time I
are
wear it.
Look, all the stars. It's coming back. I'm telling you. And
Oh. You got the jorts?
some
The
pawpaws.
next all the way across.
Oh. That's thick.
Oh no. Oh, some in frames.
Ooh.
Oh, that's horrible.
Come on, let's see you on them.
Put them on.
Let's He's blocked the most amount of sun for the amount of money that ever spent. Oh,
Oh, this,
I'm on a fixture.
this is full of stuff.
Oh, New Balances?
these are horrible.
What'd you get, Barrett?
They've
Come
gotta-
on, let's see.
They've got to be pure white, and then they. Oh God, there's so much white.
Hey, they made in USA, bro.
I even got the Velcro for you, babe, because you're getting old. You can't tie your shoes.
Oh man,
I have some, but they're not Velcro. I have some white New Balance. I don't even, I mean, they're in the archives.
I know those weren't cheap.
These are walking. They're spec for walking. You can walk like cobblestone.
Oh, yeah.
There's some more in that little box, or that big box, honey.
Oh,
Is there any stickers in there?
Oh, there's some more stuff.
Oh, thank God.
Damn.
Yeah, you gotta trick out that Corvette.
oh, there's some gun.
Look.
Oh,
Me
no.
and my gun in my family.
Oh, my God. The NRA would love you.
Second. Oh no, this is like that C5's back in
Hey,
business.
put it on the vet.
I'll do it. I'll make my own.
Meet my gun family.
Mirror Chevrolet.
Shit.
Wow. Thanks autocross. I'm gonna be pimping.
I saw that and it screamed your name all over.
It's gonna be good at golf. I'm gonna put it right in the middle of my front windshield. We don't call 911.
People will pay
Is that what it says?
People pay good money for this. Oh, they really pack
Yeah,
it.
somebody paid good money for those.
Oh, I didn't see that part. That's good. That's gold right there.
What?
We don't call 911.
Yeah, I'll put that on. I do that like the New Iberia name call, where they got the name on the driver's side window, and they get their conference name on the other side. Put that right there. Yeah, this is pretty.
You gonna put that outfit on, honey, so we can take a picture for your 40th birthday?
You didn't give me a map.
You tuck it in the shirt, too.
I'll tuck it in. Jean shorts. Do they fit me?
Yeah, everything will fit you.
Oh wow.
Now, this is actually kind of like a dress shirt. This
Yeah.
is kind of
Is that Callaway?
That's a nice. This
Nah.
is George.
George.
Walmart. That's
I'm on a
okay.
fixed income.
That's it. I am on a fixed income. My
I
income
can't
is
buy all the good golf stuff, so
So,
gotta go.
Josh has, him and his dad have like the MRTs right there. They have the